Ready to get glowy and bronze for fun in the sun this summer? Okay, well follow me. To achieve this golden hour look, we are starting off with the WOA Glow Sunscreen by e.l.f. Skin to keep our skin protected and moisturized. Following our sunscreen, we're going in with this beautiful lightweight Loreal Lumi Glownation that gives the skin the perfect luminous look as if we've been sun-kissed by the sun itself. The lighting in this video does not do this amount of luminosity any justice. We're going in with our NYX concealer serum. It's perfect and moisturizing for those hot summer makeup days. For the look we're going for, we don't need a super full coverage concealer, which is why this Bear With Me NYX concealer serum just works perfect. And to prevent creasing, I always go in with the setting powder. This Huda setting powder is one of my favorite setting powders, and we're only going to set the under eyes to achieve that glowy look we're going for. This wouldn't be a summer glow formation without a bronzer. So let's apply this e.l.f. bronzer. We're picking a warmer tone bronzer to achieve our goal of looking extra golden and glowy. Also, applying bronzer to the eyelids gives us a level up on the look coming together. My second favorite step is adding blush. I'm blush obsessed. I'll just leave it at that. This e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand gives the right amount of dewy, sparkling pop of color to tie this look all together perfectly. Oh, but wait, we need to put a cherry on the top and sprinkle on a little glittery eyeshadow in the inner section of the eyelid using this ColourPop eyeshadow palette to add a little extra sparkle and shine to this glow formation look that we're achieving today. Blend out just a little to make it even across the eyelid. After sprinkling on our glitter, we're just going to go in with some mascara to enhance the length, volume, and color to our lashes. And for that side profile view that will have you glistening, let's use the Anastasia Glow Kit. As I mentioned before, this lighting cannot compare to the way the sun rays catch this type of luminous glow. I like to finish this look adding a shimmer plumping lip gloss. This one's by Covergirl. It'll have your lips looking just as luminous and glowy as the rest of your face. Oh, side note, set everything with the dewy setting spray when you're done. I love doing this type of look. It's very minimal effort. The blending doesn't have to be perfect, and it cuts down on time. For more fun in the sun, I can go as heavy on the bronzer and highlighter as I want. Hope you love this look as much as I do.